I am always adding new products all the time to my Winnebago EKKO, or as I like to call it, my box fan. And I found some really cool things I just haven't shared with you yet. So these might work for a lot of different RVs, not just a Winnebago EKKO, that's number one. And also, you might find this to be some mod or a little addition that you might be interested in too. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of all the products that I've shown you, and you can give me some ideas as to how you might use them and if they would work for you. Let's go back in the bedroom and talk about things that are happening back here, because as you can see, I have a new, awesome, look at this, fan wife components drawer/cabinet in between the two beds. It's fantastic. It's really deep. You can put so much stuff back here. I haven't even put things in it yet. I'm really excited. Don't know what I'm going to put in there, but I'm sure there's lots of things I can. So this is fantastic. Goes the entire length. Love this. I would say when it comes to trying to find places in cabinets, this might be your first choice. If you keep your bed separate, I think it's a fantastic thing to have. They send you the whole kit. You can do it yourself. You can bolt it down so it doesn't move when you're driving. Really like this a lot. So once again, super easy. Look at all this room. It's fantastic. Love it. So I have the original shelves up here above the bed. And when I first got these, I wasn't sure what I was going to do because this sort of empty space is sort of odd. But I did get a keepers, and I put my phone and my watch and charge cords up here, which is really handy. So I'm sleeping, it's above, it's all put away, super handy. Love those things. So as I turn around, you'll notice I have new cabinets. I love this at the foot of the beds. They're so awesome. Now I also did something really neat where I started playing with some magnetic strips, and you'll notice I've got a lot of new magnetic things. We're going to show you some of those right now. All right, so if you look at the bottom of the cabinet, and actually I put one at the top of the cabinet too, there's these awesome like iron metal adhesive strips I put on, and they will hold absolutely everything, including, look at that awesome fan. So get out of the way, and I can move this anywhere I want to. I can put it on any of the adhesive strips I put throughout the rig. Super handy. Love this thing. So fan love and adhesive strips, fantastic. Also, love these little command strip, we'll call them caddies, that I put at the base of the bed too. I had these before I had the cabinets, just to put extra stuff in. I tend to, keep like my projector right there and some other things, maybe like even like disco lights, who knows, all the good fun stuff, but really handy to have. I'm always looking for storage ideas, and who doesn't love a good command strip product? So as far as adhesive strips, I actually put 3 up here for a reason, because I was trying something out. I put one above where the door is. I put one above on this cabinet as well, because I'm using it for a projector screen. So I have a projector screen that goes there, and of course I've got the same thing on the other side with that lovely little caddy. Really super handy. Cannot say enough about these things. Let's go take a look at some more magnetic stuff. Now I know I did a video earlier talking about these Sylvie, these awesome drinks and plates and things like that, and they come with these magnetic strips. Now I will say this, the magnetic strips are really nice and they're super strong. I really like them, but the other ones I got on Amazon are working just as well, and I can clip my flashlight right there. Really love this. So I'm using it for different reasons, because I put one there. I have a new product. I love this thing. Hold on. I found a really neat paper towel holder. I think it's just super handy, because it's super light. I can just put it on any of these areas I want to. I can put it here. If I want to get it out of the way and put it way up there above in the bedroom, I can put it up there. And if I want to put it by the door, I've got another magnetic strip underneath this cabinet, and I can put it right there. I love the options. Okay, we're back on the magnetic subject. Look at this, guys. Haha. I finally did it. I finally got a nice magnetic bar to put inside to carry my knives and have them nice and neatly stored. I love this idea. It's so much easier to do. So this has been a fantastic little handy organizational tool too. I've also recently gotten turned on to these little products called a Keepa. They're really cool. They're magnetic and they're silicone, but they're really strong magnets. You can hang shoes, bathing suits. You can take them inside, outside. They're really fantastic for a lot of reasons. And they're really strong. So I've been looking for lots of different reasons and things to use those Keepas, but right now I've been using them just to hang my shoes right at the entryway. Okay, if you're like me and you like fresh produce when you're on the road, this is one of my biggest complaints, is trying to figure out where to put them. And I got these really cool jute bags. Just put them on a command hook right there. And if I put my apples and limes and things like that, because they're jute, the fruit flies and other insects don't really like it. It's fantastic. So these have definitely been a lifesaver. All right, for those of you who don't use your shower, I actually do use my shower, and I love my shower all the time, my EKKO. I got these little, I'll call them shelf guards, and they stick on. They're really handy. Let's say you just want to put shampoo right there. I love this. So got those a couple months ago now. We're working out really well. I would highly recommend everybody having those if you're gonna end up putting things there. If not, they just sort of fall off the shelf. All right, my other fun bathroom item that I got, which I've waited to have one of these for a while, is this little clip here. And someone told me about this a while back, and you can use it to child-proof areas in your house when you have a sliding glass door and things like that. But this is the best part. Ready, guys? Watch this. So you take your door, you push it back, you adheres to the wall. It's adhesive, and watch this. Instantly holds up that door. No more trying to get this little teeny tiny snap up here to hold, because I've already pulled it out a couple times. So now all of a sudden, guess what? This thing works every stinking time. I love it. All I gotta do is push in, make it flat, the door comes back out again. This is so awesome. I love this thing. They normally come in a 2-pack. Just get 2, give one to a friend and make them happy, and then they can use their EKKO bathroom all the more. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe, that bell to get notified. I put really cool videos out all the time. Mondays are New Product Mondays. Wednesdays, sometimes I do a live stream. You don't want to miss those. And I like to do adventure videos on Sundays. So if that is your cup of tea and you love van life, overlanding, camping, all that kind of great stuff, I'm your gal. Hope to see you next week on Charlie Grace Adventures. Safe travels and happy trails.